Wage slavery is very real, and so is the indoctrination. And I recently conducted a social experiment, and the results are horrifying. I posted on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and this particular video, which I will share with you in just a moment, did over 200,000 views with over hundreds of comments, and what people put blows my mind. And it makes you wonder, how do these people put their own pants on in the morning? It's because of the indoctrination, the suppression of thinking for themselves. But look, before we get into the nitty gritty, can we just appreciate the views? It's 1:30 in the afternoon. I've just come back from the gym. I'm now getting my steps in, talking to you wonderful people. Hopefully going to inspire you to take some steps to work towards time and financial independence, because it is achievable. Living a life like this where, you know, if you followed me for a while, I'm a minimalist. You know, me and my family, we don't want for much. We do enjoy living life on our terms, and that's what we have because of the decisions that I made and the sacrifices and the things I did in my early 20s. Anyway, let's play this video, which will pop up on screen now, just to share with you what I was talking about in this video.
You don't need a job to pay your bills. It's not the only way. Do you know, it absolutely horrifies me that 99% of society are so brainwashed and indoctrinated that they think the only way to pay their bills, put food on the table and keep a roof over their head is by serving someone else.
So there we go. I was talking about you don't need a job to make money, pay your bills, put food on the table and keep a roof over your head, which is true. But you know, in the comments, and on screen now will be the comments section from TikTok. And if you actually want to go and view it yourself and be horrified, go check it out. It's also on my Instagram and my YouTube as well. The results are horrifying, and it proves the point that people no longer think for themselves. And this is because of dependency and the common things that people were saying. Well, how? Well, if there's a million ways to make money, Aaron, you haven't mentioned one. And again, they didn't realise I was conducting a social experiment. And the whole point was for me to throw the reality and the idea out there that you don't need a job to pay your bills. You don't. And there are a million ways to make money. And I actually have a full tutorial coming out in the next couple of weeks, which is going to be called I Got Ahead of 99% of People, and this is how I did it. It'll be something like that. And I will share and showcase facts and figures and my story, myself and others, that you don't need a job. You need to be creative, you need to think for yourself, and you need to work towards that word, key word that I always use, independence. Bring back a bit of flair. This is something that we've just lost. And when you look at this comment section, it truly is horrifying, because people are saying, well, teach us. Well, how, Aaron? Well, you haven't said one thing. Or some people said, oh, just another person talking about becoming a TikTok creator. They can't think. And you know, I was so shocked at the results. I jumped on a TikTok live stream straight after that video when I saw all these comments coming in. Well, it was a few hours after, because I saw all these comments coming in. And I said to people, and there was this one guy, I remember his name, he's called Gary. I have no idea who he is, but he was called Gary, I know that. And he was on my live stream. And he said, oh, I saw your video, you need a job. Don't listen to this guy, people. And I said on this live stream, I said, Gary, can I ask you, do you believe the only way to make money is by serving someone else? And he went, yes. And I'm just like, oh my Lord Almighty, come on, people. This is the problem. When you are on repeat, you clock in, you go in, you do your tasks, you're told what to do. You slowly lose who you are. You just don't think for yourself anymore. And I'm not necessarily on about you. I'm talking about these types of people. And it is scarier. You know, I'm not overdoing this. It really is scary because I'm so hyper aware of this, and you might be too. Even when I'm driving around in my car, even my son said it the other day, it's like we're in a world of NPCs. Just to confirm, November, Papa, Charlie. NPCs, non-playable characters. And that they can only do things within their framework. And anything outside of that is a scam, it's not achievable, or it's just total fabrication. Like, I want to say to all of you, You could be on YouTube. You can build a business. You can build a personal brand. You can create content that pays you a lot of money. But the problem is 90% of people have been programmed and brainwashed and indoctrinated that they do not believe it's possible, that it is all a lie. But it's not. It's not. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. Do you know, I've always wanted to do this, just bear with me. You know, where I just put the camera down, I'm just gonna walk off. You know, like this, it's 1:30 and I'm out here. You could have this too. I love this. And the only reason all of this has happened is because I thought for myself. I went, Aaron, I want more from life. I want more for me and my family. I'm going to have to put in the hard yards. I'm going to have to make sacrifices. I'm going to have to apply delayed gratification, invest in my education, definitely be resilient because it's going to be tough. But I'm going to learn and I'm going to keep evolving because that's what humans should do. Anyway, I always kind of wanted to do that where I just put the camera down. I see a lot of people doing that, you know, and they walk up to it. You can too. And you know what? I'm going to say this. Exitnine. If any of you watching me right now and this is resonating with you, but you don't have the framework, you don't have the guidance, maybe you lack the accountability, you lack the social circle, you don't have the right people around you and the information, consider getting yourself into Exitnine. Lord Almighty, it was built, whether you have an idea, whether you have a business already, whether it's a personal brand you want to build, it doesn't matter. It will fit all those different types of people. It has been structured and designed for you. It's less than a coffee a day, dear Lord. But let's continue. Dependency. When you are dependent on one job, your brain starts to switch off, which is why we use words such as wage slavery. And what wage slavery truly means is that you are shackled, your hands, your feet, you're in the corporate cage. You wear golden handcuffs, and it's very hard to get away from that when you have given your entire being. You have forgotten about what you wanted as a kid and, you know, those dreams. Do you remember when you were younger, anything was possible? And think about this for a moment, like nostalgia. I'm a 90s baby and I love seeing these videos on Instagram and TikTok of, you know, riding a BMX, knocking on your mate's house. And it's so funny, isn't it? When you're an adult, you try to claw back what you had as a kid. And that was freedom. You know, your parents would say, make sure you're back before the street lamps turn on, you know, make sure you're home for dinner. But when we were a kid, we kept saying, well, I can't wait to be an adult. I can't wait to have a job. And, you know, because that's what the teachers told you, you know, what do you want to be? What job do you want to have? And we strive for that when we're younger. We chase having a job because we think, oh, we're going to get our own money and we'll be able to do what we want. We can stay up late at night and all this kind of stuff. And lo and behold, what was it? It was a lie. It was a total lie. It was just wage slavery. That promise never arrived of freedom. So now, as adults, you try and claw that back. Like for me, I've always been an outside guy. I love hiking. There's hikes all around here that I do with my son. I love doing this walk. I'm going to walk back now. I also do, for anyone who doesn't know, I love clay pigeon shooting and I love competitive shooting. I was just looking at all the pigeons on at the edge of the cornfield over there. I love being out here. Especially, you know, I'm getting vitamin D. I love this. And I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna sit in the garden with my family, you know, do a little bit of laptop work. There's no shackles. Everything has been designed. And when I look at that comment section, it does horrify me that people are saying, well, teach us how. How? Well, show us. And it's like, come on. Do you need your pants put on in the morning? I also want to try and hear the people that are going to be watching this because there's some people at this point where they'll be going, well, Aaron, you're just nagging at us. You're just saying the same thing. Well, here's a lesson for everyone. The key to success is repetition. Do you know why some of my videos, I will go over the same thing again and again? And if you go back on my content 5 years ago, I'll be saying the same thing. Because for some people, it takes 6, 7, 8, 9 times for something to click. Prime example is when I send newsletters with a call to action, maybe joining a free webinar, maybe coming to an event for peak performance, whatever it might be. I'll be sending it out to my database one email, no one, an individual won't reply or won't take action. It might not be until the 6th email, a certain individual who saw all the previous 6 then takes action, because different people need to hear things a certain amount of times until they go, enough is enough, I'm taking action. So I hope by me drilling this again and saying to all of you, you can build a business, you can start YouTube. Nothing is oversaturated. If you want more for you and your family, you can have it, but you need to do really hard things to get there. If you want success, be willing to pay the tax. If you want the view, be willing to do the climb. If you want the results, be prepared to pay the invoice. And you have to start educating yourself. The problem with these people who say, it's rubbish, you need money to make money. You don't. You really, really don't. We're in a world where leverage is key. Leveraging social media, leveraging marketing ability, leveraging your network, leveraging your voice and your message and your experiences and your passion can lead to just incredible things. It is all about output and leverage and working smart. The people who are working smarter and actually working less are the ones getting richer. And then you still, I'm trying to film a YouTube video with your loud bike. The people who are in those comments of that social experiment, I feel like they are a bit of a lost cause until they educate themselves and they get rid of the people that are hanging around them. Because let me tell you now, if you're not around the right people, there will be a limitation, there will be a bar. So if you're hanging around with people who all earn £30,000 and £40,000, your earning ability is only £30,000 and £40,000. If you hang around with 5 people that make £100,000, your ceiling is £100,000. Get around people who are doing next level stuff, people who think different, who live in a world of abundance, where they see opportunity. Make the hard decisions now. And depending on your age, you have a runway. If you're 40 plus, your runway is shorter to get off the ground and change yours and your family's life. The poker game is still up for grabs, but you need to be more strategic and more aggressive in your movements and more calculated. Oh boy, come on. Escape from wage slavery, people. This. Freedom. Control. Do you know, this all came from never wanting a fancy job title, never wanting to flex, never wanting to keep up with the Joneses. I've never ever been bothered about trying to prove things to other people. And I tell you this now, if you can get your money right and you can manage it well and you can invest it well, you'll bring yourself that much closer to financial independence. And if you've noticed, I never say freedom, because freedom's a loose term. Like, how much money is financial freedom, where you and your family forevermore never have to do anything? But independence is achievable. Think about it right now. I really want you to take this in. If you're working a job right now that is stressing you out, you have a micromanager, it's a toxic environment, you sit in the car and you're stressed. How much is your salary? £1,500, £1,800? £2,000, £2,500 a month, 3, 4, 5, okay, call it £6,000 a month. Although you shouldn't need a salary of £6,000 a month, because my question to you would be, well, who's the big spender in the family? What kind of house are you living in if you need more than £6,000? Who are you trying to prove a point to? Because what's a big house without a loving family that you spend time with? What's a big house if you can't spend it with your kids, laughing and joking? It means nothing. I would always rather, my dream goal is to have a little 2-bed cottage with copper pans in the country, little bit of land. And I'm not far off it, to be honest with you. A few more years and I'm there. I'd say by 36, 37, I'm there. But it's only achievable by, getting to know yourself, understanding what you want, being content, not chasing shiny things. I'll say it one more time in this video. Promotions and chasing job titles is one of the most dangerous things that anyone could ever do. I do not say that lightly. I say that with conviction. Job titles and promotions are dangerous to you and your mental health, but also your family. I don't care how much you get offered. I don't give a monkeys. I would rather earn in a sustainable little business that I've built myself, outside of wage slavery, outside of the rat race, that makes me 30, 40, 50,000 pounds a year, and I'm able to pay my bills. We don't creep our expenses up, but we own all of our time. And I can already hear certain people, well, Aaron, it's expensive. Who can live on £2,000-3,000 a month? I don't know about all of you, but our family bills are no more than £2,000 a month. All of them, everything, all outgoings and everything we pay for in a month. And when I say that to some people, they're like, how are your expenses so low? I'm like, how are yours not that low? Yes, things have gone up. Like, of course, prices have gone up. But I actually don't get where people are like, well, our bills are £3,500-4,000. I'm like, okay, I'd love to look at your finances. I would love to look at where you spend your money. And again, if I was to scrutinise and go through some people's finances, you know, and I'm really into my finances, we would find excess spending where it doesn't need to go. I don't care what anyone tells me. When someone says we need 3, 4, 5 grand to live on, if they turn around and say, well, it's because we've got 3, 4, 5 kids, well, you're to blame for that because the individual had 3, 4, 5 kids. So that is now your responsibility, which again is a big part of achieving financial and time independence, is responsibility, accountability, ownership, which is actually why I'm doing the next tutorial video. I got ahead of 99% of people, full course tutorial, by doing this. And like I said, that video will be out probably from this one in about a week and a half, towards the end of maybe beginning of July, something like that. It's well worth a watch. It's going to be quite a hard watch for a lot of people because I'm going to reveal the truth, and the truth hurts, and people hide behind their own justifying their own excuses. It's always the same. If anyone has been triggered in this video, it's because I've highlighted something that resonates with your situation, something that rings true. Because if I was to call someone fat who's not fat, they're not going to be offended because they're not fat. If someone called me fat, I'm not going to care because I'm not fat. It's the same when I'm talking about certain things. When people get triggered, it's because it's now reflected something that's very real in their life that they don't want to address because it's easier to just go round. Don't talk about that. It's like vinegar on a wound, as I say, on an open cut. Don't talk about that, Aaron. You can't say that. You know, it's like when I say promotions and job titles. People go, whoa, you can't say that because my promotion paid me 10 grand. Yeah, but you lost X amount of time with your family, your kids aren't happy, and you're prioritising a company that's going to get rid of you in a heartbeat, especially in the day and age that we live in now. You know, anyone that believes job security is a real thing, and I see a lot of these people in my comments section, especially on Instagram and TikTok. There are still people out there who actually and wholeheartedly believe that job security is a real thing. And I don't know what they're on. They must be on mushrooms. Anyway, here we go. Look, I'm going to try and pause for a moment while I try and get my thumbnail. Definitely not using that one. Look, I'm going to say this very bluntly. If you want to change your life, if you want to build a business, or you already have a business, if you want to monetize your personal brand, if you honestly want to give your family freedom, control, and you never have to ask an adult to ever go on holiday again, never have to walk into an office and say, I'd like to book some holiday, Exitnine.ai. In the link, which will be in the description, you can also get 50% off your first month. I am biased, but it is an absolute game changer. And I'm so excited for what we're already doing for people. All of you, or anyone who truly wants more from life, we welcome you in. You can come say hi to me in the community section. But look, until then, please let my social experiment give you food for thought on where you're at in life. Because this is what it's about. Anyway, I'm not rubbing it in at all, but I'm going to go home, chill out with my family, and I only wish more of you would aim towards this life because it is not that far away. You've just got to do some hard things in the meantime for maybe 2, 3, 4 years. You don't need £10,000 a month. You don't need a Lamborghini. You don't need a big house, and you don't need a Rolex. Live life like a minimalist, want less, and you'll have more, and figure out what your number is. What is the number that is going to make you and your family happy, whether that is a cash flow monthly number or that is a lump sum. When you have that, you can reverse engineer to know and understand what you need to build to get to that North Star. And you can do all of those assessments and evaluations in Exitnine. Anyway, listen, I'm off. Peace out. Enjoy your day wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.